Those spices go with the shrimp so beautifully. And that shrimp is cooked perfectly. It's nice and juicy. I have a tablespoon and a half of paprika in here. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You know, if you don't want it to be so spicy, you can adjust that to whatever you want, half, a fourth. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of dried thyme. In this bowl, I have a pound of shrimp. It's been peeled and deveined. We're gonna add the spices to this. We're only gonna use half of the spices. I'm gonna keep the rest in a closed container inside a cabinet, and use it for another recipe. I have a tablespoon of unsalted butter, which I melted here with a little bit of oil. I'm going to add 3 garlic cloves, which I minced. We're going to cook this garlic for a couple minutes till we can smell it. Now I'm just going to start adding the shrimp. This is going to cook fast, so we have to be careful. We're going to cook this side for a couple minutes, flip it, and cook the other side for another couple minutes. It's hard for you to see, but these are getting dark pink, almost like salmon. So it's time to turn them. For me, it is as spicy as I like it. You might find it a little hot. This is excellent. And you saw how easy this is.